Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
पणजे JERCचे सुनावणे वेळार लायट दरवाडी गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो विरोध. पेंडिंग बिला पयली रिकवर करात मागीरूच दरवाड करात म्हूण मागणी.
More than 200 crores of arrears are pending to be recovered. If 84 crores is a gap, this can push for next 3 years if government recovers its arrears. आणि जे 200 कोटी जर रिकवर केले 3 वर्सां जावचे ना, मागीर 3 वर्सां इलेक्शन येतले आनी वाडोवचे ना, मागीर मुखार पडलेले आनी. So government has to stress, commission also has to stress, tell the government to recover these dues.
काँग्रेसीचो अमित पाटकर म्हणटा सरकारान सगळे पेंडिंग बिलां पयलीं रिकवर करची. हाय एंड बिलांक घरगुती वीज कनेक्शनाच्या जाग्यार व्यावसायिक कनेक्शनां दिवची.
150 to 160 crores which is due, which the department has failed to recover.
ट्युरिस्ट गाडयेन मोखून लायटीचे खांबे मोडटात, तांच्या कडच्यान रिकवरी जायना. एक खांबो 1,70,000 ते पयशे रिकवर करचे म्हूण गोवा कॅनाचो रॉलँड मार्टिन्स मागता.
We had to have a case filed by a consumer to point out that recovery is not taking place. An ordinary pole knocked on by a tourist cost about 1,70,000 to the department. The more fancy poles which are in Donapal, it can go up to 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Now my concern is if you just take this one example and the data that is getting generated every month on the recovery that has not happened division wise.
लायटीचो चीफ इंजिनियर स्टीफन फर्नांडीस म्हणटा गोंयची कॅपेबिलिटी 700 मेगावॅट आनी कॅपॅसिटी 2000 मेगावॅट. पेंडिंग बिलांची रिकवरी चल्ल्या. वीज खात्याकडे येतात तातूंतले 95% कागाळी खंय फेक. फाल्यां मडगांवां सुनावणी.
200 megawatt is a capacity, but the capability of today's line is not more than 700 megawatt. Capability and capacity is different. Capacity may be 10,000, that doesn't mean we can draw 10,000. 95% of the companies we get fake, and lot of time is spent on that. After 15 days we get notice. In any month there will be areas. That doesn't mean that the areas are continued, we disconnect. If any such person is there, you put an RTI any time of any year, you will get ideas. Areas are there, but those same areas have recovered. Yes, it is recovered, and now we do not allow anybody. Yes, we used to do before. We used to give installment. We used to do a lot of things. Today also we give installments by seeing the case, and only once. If the person is a defaulter, second time also we don't.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.